We're doing a key to a Pontiac G6 off of a metal key. B106 is the metal key. I'll read this key. I'll cut the new one. Well, that didn't read at all. Pick the lock because that is like so. There's nothing going on that. Literally. See that? That's like, yeah. Well, that's basically the machine saying I have no clue what the cuts are. All right, yeah, that key didn't read at all, so.
No, it didn't have the reader on it.
What's that?
It didn't have the reader on it. It's just the key.
No, on my machine that key didn't read. It's the cuts are like way off on it. So, yeah, hang on. Oh, this one's a hard one because it's gonna be the older, not the B106, which I was hoping it was. It's the B111, which is a flimsy tool. Oh, why did I agree to do this job? I don't know. But I did, so we'll do it. Did that key turn fine in the door lock and the ignition?
Yeah.
Okay. This tool is like really, really flimsy compared to the other one. But it's definitely this one because there's a number 3 cut and the other tool didn't fit in. Most of the 08s and up are on the other tool.
Do you get a percentage of your hits?
Absolutely. You get 0% of 0, right? No, the hits I haven't monetized it yet, but maybe one day, you know. The reason why I made it is because it's so expensive to advertise on Google. Psh, how much do you think they charge me for your call? Close to $40, right? It's highway robbery, exactly. Problem is that how much they're charging, they want you to go out and rip every customer off, and I just won't do it. So it's not.
How's your day going?
Well, you know, I came out here to do an easy job, and then of course it's a harder job. So my day's going great. How about yours?
Shut up! Listen to you, don't you, Bob? Quiet! Quiet!
I don't think they speak English. Maybe that was picked. I don't know. Just didn't feel like it turned far enough. It's like getting caught. So you're missing the key for a few days already, huh? Well, missing the key for a few days already? It's this one. I can't get that number 5 to pick. Did I tell you guys I hit this tool? Oh yeah, I think I did. All right, let me do it the other way. Want to film?
Huh?
You want to film for me? You can film anything you want, okay?
No, that's pretty good.
I'll edit it eventually.
No, I got a cell phone.
Can you hold it for me?
Sure.
Thanks. I have a YouTube channel, so I'm gonna film it and then put some of it on the channel. So. There you go. It should be on.
Recording?
Yeah, it should be, yeah. He's like, why are you trying to give me a phone, you know? I got my own phone, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Picked 3, 4, 3, 2. All right, I should be able to use that with the key and compare it and then find something. Perfect, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, so these are the cuts I got on the door lock. No match found. Don't feel like playing with it, so I'm going to compare that to my key. Or to their key. If they didn't have a key, I wouldn't be able to compare it to nothing, but I have a key, so I can compare it. Compare from the second cut, which would be, so not this one, not that one. So we got 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 4, 2, 1. Looks like 2, 1. Make chart. No match found, so that's not right either. That might be a 2 as well. Let's compare everything. So we have the cuts on the machine. I'm gonna read this key one more time. All right, so I read this key again, and again we're not getting anything close to what these cuts should be. The only thing that we have, like literally nowhere, not close at all. I'm gonna try to back the key up a hair and seeing if it reads it better that way. It could be the tip of the key is worn out. Okay. All right, we're gonna compare that to the key. So comparing this to the key, it looks like we got 2, 4, 3, 3, 5, 5. I'm gonna say 3, 4, 2, maybe 1. Let's see. Code not found. That could be a 3. So maybe it's 3, 4, 3, 3. Code found. Bam. See it? Alright, I think that's the right cuts. So I'm gonna cut that. I'm gonna cut it right away onto the chip key. To try the new key. Bam, perfect. Alright, let's get it programmed.
Yes, sir.
We got the key programming now.
What percentage of this, they're not even at a hotel, they're like at a, bunch of little houses together, little, things. Even Christmas. They'll make it.
All right, key's done, works in the door.
Turn the engine on.
And it starts the car. Let's go. Turn smooth, right?
Good now.
Yeah. I had to use a certain pick tool that it's more of a sloppy lock is what I call it. So there's in 2008 they changed the lock on it. It's the same keyway, but the pick tool is different. It's so much easier to read. This one is a much harder read. So the lock is just, for whatever reason, you can move the key like up and down. It's more finicky. So the pick tool is very hard to read as well. But yeah, pull it out and try it again. It should work. Good? Cool. Uh-oh.
My turn, Jeff.
You there? Yeah. All right.